How to turn off ramp feature on AirSense 10 Autoset. If you are using the AirSense 10 Autoset in auto mode and find the pressure to be too strong at night, you'll need to turn off the ramp feature. This video will demonstrate how you turn off the ramp feature on the Resmed Airsense 10 Autoset. With the machine plugged in, simultaneously press and hold the home button, found below the screen with the lit up picture of a house on it, and a round button found to the right of the screen, for 10 seconds or until you see the screen change. You are now in the clinical settings. Select Settings by turning the round button to highlight it and then click. Scroll through the list of items by turning the round button until you see Ramp near the bottom of the list. Click on it. Turn the round button until you see Off, and then click on it. Scroll back to the top and click on Exit Clinical Settings or press the Home button. That's it. The ramp feature is now turned off.